Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add animations to your Shopify store without using any app. So adding simple animations can make your store feel smoother and more interactive. You can set them up directly from your Shopify theme settings. And to get started, open your Shopify dashboard and go to online store. So from there, click edit theme to open your theme editor. And once the editor is open, look at the menu on the left side and click the gear icon to open theme settings. Next, find the animations option and click on it. So this is where you can control the different animation effects available for your store. You should also see options for page transitions, product card, product page transitions, and add to cart animations. So simply turn on the toggle next to animation you want to enable. After that, let's hover to the card hover effects section. Click the drop down menu and you can choose from effects such as lift, zoom, or scale, and then select the one that you prefer. And that effect will be used when visitors interact with your product cards. And once everything is set the way you want it, click save in the top right corner to apply your changes. And that is how you can add animations to your Shopify store without installing an additional app. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.